The 808 Ranch is always one that's looking for technology that makes it simpler, that makes us more efficient, and that helps us to get more work done.
So with Breedr, it really helps the rancher keep track of what animals he has and what he's done to those animals. So anytime we AI them, anytime we put an embryo in them, do a preg check, anything like that, you can put that all on a report. Anytime you give them a shot, if they're not feeling so well and you need to doctor them a little bit, you can put everything in there and it keeps track of everything for you.
We've used Breedr for several years. We've been one of their beta testers or alpha testers where they've introduced new tools on their platform, and we've helped them to kind of sharpen those tools and make them more useful. They're great for taking care of purebred livestock data, which is a lot more data and a lot more record keeping than would normally happen in a commercial cow-calf place. Breedr is an important tool that connects to our scales on our chute. It's easily updated. If we're going to give a whole group of 50 cattle the same shots, instead of having to enter it every time, you can do it in groups. And there's just some really great shortcuts to high quality management by using the Breedr format. We're new users of the Halter technology, our collars that fit around the neck of our cattle. We've just doing a testing of that, and we're just really trying to figure it out. And the biggest thing that we want to do is we want to use our grass in a regenerative and a most efficient way. It turns out that as our world has started talking about being a regenerative ranchers and doing regenerative farming, it's just exactly what our dad taught us 50 years ago. And so we're going back to handling cattle, to handling the grassland the way that my dad would have done, you know, in the 1960s and 70s. And so the Halter format allows you to better use your grazing of your grass and to move the cattle in a way that would be the most efficient for the growing of the grass. And so that's what we're trying to get back to with livestock, is grazing in a way that treats the land as best that we can treat it.
So the Moly turret system is great for cattle and for us working the cattle. It keeps us out of the way of the cattle. Safety is one of the biggest parts here on the ranch. We really want to keep everybody safe, out of harm's way. And so everything is run by remote control or by a switch by the chute. So you can stand away from it, move the cattle safely around into the chute area. On the silencer chute, it saves us a lot of time, saves us a lot of headache and, you know, fatigue of running a manual style chute where you're always having to move parts. It's the quick hit of a lever and you can access anything you need to. It's been great for handling cows and calves, AIing, putting embryos in, anything like that. It's always been great for us to use.